All right. Now, the only hard part about this lesson is going to be the word hemisphere, because hemisphere literally means half of the ball, half of the sphere. Okay? The prefix hemi means half. So to find the volume, you use the formula, but then you divide by 2 to split it into 2 equal halves. So how is the volume of a sphere different from cylinders and cones? Name 3 differences.
The R3.
Okay, so we use r cubed instead of r squared. What else? Okay. We use 4/3 instead of?
1/3.
So the fraction is different, the r is different. What else is different?
There's no height.
Yeah. There is no base and no height. No base, no height. So literally the only thing you plug in is the radius, which makes it the easiest formula to use. The only reason it's difficult is if you overlook the question and if it asks you for the hemisphere. Okay? So, number 1. To find the volume of the sphere, the formula is, volume is 4/3 pi r cubed. Where literally the only thing we plug in is the radius. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find the radius in terms of pi. Okay? If we're going to find the radius in terms of pi, because this is how you're going to have to do it on the assignment, what are you going to multiply?
Everything else but pi.
Okay, so starting with, what are you going to put in the calculator? 4/3. What else are you going to type in the calculator?
2.5 squared.
Yeah. So type in 4/3 and then 2.5 squared.
8.3 B.
It should be 8.3. What did you type?
Did you put pi?
A ver, tráelo. Bring it here. Oh, no, you're right. You're right. It's not squared. It's what? It's cubed. So to type the cubed, sorry, Josue, you were right. You're going to type in the 4/3, then type your 2.5 in parentheses. To type cubed, you're going to press the button that is above the division sign. Looks like a little rooftop. The button above division. And you get 20.8. But don't forget, the pi is still part of the answer, right? That is in terms of pi. Okay? It's on top of the division symbol. It's like a little flechita arriba the division. Do you see plus, minus, multiply, divide? Now go one more up. You got it?
Axel doesn't need.
Can you show him where the button is, please, so I don't have to get up? Just show him. Show him the button. It's the same button as pi, but don't push the blue one. Okay, yeah. All right. He got it. All right, so that's in terms of pi, but now to the nearest tenth. Okay, you're going to type in everything into the calculator. So 20.8 pi. This time include the pi. What do you get? Yeah. And that one is to the nearest tenth. Okay, let's do number 2. But number 2, they don't give us the radius, they give us what? So make sure you change it to radius. What is the radius? 15. Okay, so the first thing we do is we write our formula. And then plug in your 15. We're first going to write it in terms of pi, so you only multiply the 4/3, the 15 cubed. So you get 4,500, but remember you still keep the pi in the answer. Yes?
It says to the nearest 100.
That's fine. On the assignment, it'll be to the 10th. So that's why I'm doing it like that. All right, so then, now type everything so you can get it to the nearest 10th.
Alright, bro, we get it.
1,41376.
It's not the same.
I got 1,4.
All right. 14,137.2. All right, what's different about number 3?
It's half.
It's half. It is a hemisphere, okay? So the only way to find the hemisphere is to first find the whole thing. There's no way, you can't get around skipping that formula. You have to find the whole thing first. So 4/3 pi 17.5 cubed. We're not going to find this one in terms of pi. Just type the whole thing. So the whole thing is what?
26,449.6.
That's been a lot.
Correct. Now, how do I find the hemisphere? How do I find half of it? What would I do?
Let's go by 2.
Divide by 2. It's not 2 whole, it's half of the whole. To find half of it, you split it into 2. So when you divide it by 2, what do you get? 11,224.7. Very good. Do y'all need to see more examples like 1 through 3? Yeah, you're literally just plugging in the radius, okay? Let's move on to 6 and 7. Let's move on to the word problems. Yes, 6 and 7. Yes, it is that big a deal. Okay, here we go. Number 6. It says D what? So very, very important to pay attention that they give you diameter. Because if the diameter is 22, that means that the radius is what? 11. Divided by 2. If they ask you a problem on the STAR test over a sphere, more than likely, they're going to give you the diameter just to see if you're paying attention. Now, this problem doesn't say in terms of pi or anything, so type the whole thing. Let's see if y'all know how to say that number. Axel better not find any water. Whoa, William.
Got it.
Nelly.
After they read.
He said 10 million.
We need to know.
That is nothing.
It's a pod.
Okay, we found the mistake. It's okay. All right. Ready? Number 7. The radius of a Whopper candy, sphere-shaped, is 2 centimeters. Yes, be quiet because you can't hear me. And my voice is literally on E. Now it says 12 candies came in the box. What is the volume of all 12? Well, first we have to find the volume of 1. What do you get?
33.5.
Okay, but that 33.5 only represents what? 1 piece. So how do I find 12 pieces?
Multiply by 2. By 12.
And then you get 402.
12 pieces. All right, questions?